Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can generate a QR code for your menu in 60 seconds using TinyHost. So let's jump into it. Here, this is my menu and I want to get this onto the internet and I want to get a QR code. The first thing I want to do is I want to go over to tiny.host, and then once you've logged in, you want to go to upload file, click the upload file button, find the PDF that you want to upload. I want to upload my menu here. So I'm just going to click open, and you can see here there's a bunch of options. And the first thing we're going to do is do the domain. So there's a couple of options here. You can set your own custom domain, or you can choose from tiny.co or tiny.site. And you can write up your own custom name here, or if you leave it blank, you'll get a random domain. So I'm just going to call this menu page. There we go. And there's a couple of other things you can do. You can add restrictions, password protect. You can capture emails requiring people to enter in their email. You can have a presentation mode. You can just hide it from search engines if you don't want it to be found. You can do feedback mode, and you can disable PDF downloads. I'm going to leave all of these blank, and I'm just going to click publish. And now it does it so quickly, it's just instant. And now it's up onto the internet. You can see here, if I go to this link, it should just pop right up and you can see there's my PDF. But what we want is that QR code. So you can click here, get the QR code. And if you want to use it for marketing or use it for anything, you just click the download button and you can see here, it just pops up and there you go. You can just chuck that on any of your marketing material and away you go. And the other really nice feature as well is the analytics. You can open up this analytics tab and you'll be able to track all the users looking at your menu at any time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.